Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device. Gather purchase proof, IMEI, and the Google account used on the phone. Once done, plug in and connect to a familiar Wi-Fi or enable mobile data so remote services can talk to the phone. Make sure you remember recovery email or phone numbers tied to the Google account. Don't attempt circumvention. Collecting these items speeds legitimate recovery and keeps your device data intact. Next, use official, account-based routes to regain access. Log into your Google account on another device and use Find My Device to locate, lock, or erase the phone if necessary. This requires the same account and network access. If smart lock or biometric backups were set up, try those first rather than resets. If online recovery fails, contact your carrier or the phone manufacturer, provide proof of purchase and ID. To conclude, the last resort is a factory reset which removes the lock but erases user data. Choose this only if you accept data loss. Once reset, you still need the original Google account to set up the phone, so have credentials ready. If problems persist, visit an authorized service center with purchase proof and ID for a trusted restore. Troubleshoot by checking account locks, password recovery flows, and carrier account holds rather than using unofficial bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.